This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello guys, welcome back to one more video, and in this video we'll be taking a look on how to pen test Jenkins. But before going to the video, we're having announcements here. We have launched the second batch of master course for Bug Bounties, and it is starting in somewhere around 5 days. So take a look on all the contents. It's a 50-day complete master course based on beginning to the advanced techniques into Bug Bounties, including lots of resources, notes, and a lots of content. As you guys can see all the contents here. And here are few latest reviews, you can also take a look on them. And the link is in the description, so make sure to take a look on all the resources, all the details there, and let's get into the video. Alright, so here we are on our computer screen now, and in this video we'll be taking a look about Jenkins. So in the previous sessions we have seen why we need to just take a look on, or how we can take a look on WordPress and Jira, and as you guys have told me to add some POCs, so yep, from Jira videos I'll be adding POCs. So obviously in this one we'll be also having few. So now if we take a look on these things, you might have been aware of it as of now, like Hacking What series, in which I'll be dropping out some of the things for you to have a look, to explore them, and to put some bugs on it. So now in this one we are going to be taking a look on Jenkins. Now see, this seems to be a very small one, I know that, but this is having much more than it. So you can definitely take a look on all these resources, and obviously if you guys are new to my GitHub, then have a look on the daily notes for a lot of resources, lot of notes, lot of bypasses. So have a look on all these days till 99, you can have a clear look on it. Now the most common thing to take a look on in Jenkins is unauthorized access to Jenkins. That's very simple. You can go to Shodan, you can go to any other platform and take a look. Are you able to get unauthenticated access to any of their portal, or are you able to access any of the dashboards without entering any passwords or something like that? Then the most simple thing is authentication authorization leaks to find, because in many cases you might be able to easily discover them. Outdated plugins, if there are, they'll be vulnerable. Simple as that. Then we have the script issues. To support your Jenkins URL, then just try to access the script there. If you can open the script, then try a few basic payloads to get an easy RC. That's really easy RC. Then expose credentials. So if you have seen in the previous videos, you might be able to see a lot of exposed credentials. I'll also show you just after I finish this thing. I'll show you POCs where I have found a lot of exposed credentials. Alright, and that's really easy to find. It's not a big deal. I also made a tool about it that can help you to do the whole thing. It's somewhere in my GitHub. Just check it out. If you want me to make a video detailed about all my tools, then let me know. I'll be happy to do that. Next thing is Jenkins file leaks. It's really easy to find Jenkins file leaks. Sometimes you just have to scrape the whole website. Simple as that. CSRF. Apart from CSRF, I would also like to mention the other bugs like accesses and authenticated access to few files. I've mentioned all of them in the blogs, and I'll also mention this link in the description, so make sure to take a look on it. Obviously then Jenkins API and build process are one of the greatest ones to check it out. Now I know this is a quick note, but by launch of this video I might be updating it, so have a look on it again by yourself. I'll be mentioning few POCs, few more things for you to explore, and also you can simply use automation frameworks like Nuclei, something else, or you can make your own notes by Twitter. That would be very good if you want to go with Jenkins Pentesting. And also let's take a look on few POCs about unauthenticated access, about script RCs, and about the exposed credentials. So I guess that was for the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something, and don't forget to take a look on the links in the description. Have a great day.